Today we're going to talk about some of the most popular rejuvenation treatments for face and body in our practice, the cornerstone treatment of which is applicable to the majority of our patients, and why it is touted by some as the modern version of the Fountain of Youth. We'll talk about some other treatments too that are amazing paired with that cornerstone treatment that act synergistically for even more optimal outcomes. For those of you who are new to us, hi, I'm Dr. Terry Jacobson, otherwise known as Dr. J. I'm the founder and co-owner of TLJ Aesthetics MD and have been in Issaquah for 22 years now. The last 10 of which we've been at the Highmark Medical Center, which we had the great privilege to co-found. At TLJ, you'll be greeted with an amazing warmth. We've heard over and over from our patients that they consider us a little bit like extended family. And believe me, there is no shortage of laughter at TLJ. So let me just extend a very big open arm welcome to you. So you've heard the phrase facial rejuvenation, but what does that really mean? Despite your efforts at staying out of the sun and wearing sunscreen, or not maybe, little signs of aging are bound to creep in, like uneven skin tone, brown spots, the appearance of broken capillaries, enlarged pores, lines and wrinkles, saggy skin. Does any of that sound remotely familiar? But I think for the average person, there is just so much information out there that it's really hard to wade through all of that. So at TLJ, our job is to help you choose the best treatment for you. The cornerstone of rejuvenation is hands down BBL, broadband light. It's the most sophisticated and current version of IPL or photofacial. I performed personally thousands and thousands of these treatments on patients over the years and feel like this is probably the most important treatment for any patient to consider. It takes about 30 minutes in the office and is very comfortable with no downtime. The results that you can expect is much brighter skin, more youthful appearing, softer, even skin tone. We remove a lot of the browns and the reds of the pigment that really kind of make skin look dull. And even for those patients who have loved BBL over the years, a lot of people don't realize that it is also our favorite technology for hair removal for many skin types. Let's see what Emily has to say about her BBL treatment.
I'm Emily, and I'm in my early 40s, and I've been coming to TLJ Aesthetics for almost 3 years. I started getting Botox first, just because I saw some of that premature aging, and I loved the results. And I started looking at other procedures and decided I wanted to get the BBL skin tight because I was noticing age spots and no product seemed to really touch it. And after the first treatment, I was blown away by my own reflection. My husband noticed, and he usually doesn't notice things like that. And with each treatment, it's just gotten better and better. And I commute all the way from Seattle to Issaquah to get treatment here because they just do such a great job and always take their time. And I just could not be happier with the results.
Examining Emily's before and after images, you can really appreciate how much brighter her skin looks. Her skin tone is much more even, and even the under eye circles are markedly better. This after image happens to be after 3 treatments, so we still have 2 more to go that will see even more stunning results. Emily takes advantage of synergistic treatments, including BBL, skin tight, and Botox. And I think this is a really great example of rejuvenation and also prevention of the signs of aging. At TLJ, we follow a protocol known as Forever Young BBL, which was developed by Dr. Patrick Bitter, who is affectionately known by his peers as the Godfather of Light. because he actually invented IPL and now BBL photofacial. In his studies that were conducted at Stanford, it's really amazing to learn that we now recognize that when we are doing IPLs and BBLs, we are genetically altering the skin cells to behave much more youthful. People who regularly get these treatments appear to actually age backwards. So maybe there really is a fountain of youth. Check out Maureen's experience with BBL. After all, we've been treating her for almost 15 years now.
Hi, my name is Maureen. I thought I'd share with you my experiences over the years here at TLJ Aesthetics. I started back in 2006 for the purpose of addressing my age spots. I didn't realize at the time that there were options available for other concerns such as sagging and wrinkles and volume loss. I started out by choosing what was then known as Refirm and Photofacial, and with the advanced technology it's now BBLST, Broadband Light and Skin Tight, and that's what I use now for maintenance. Next, I decided to address the lines that I developed in my forehead, as well as between my eyebrows and the crow's feet. Botox did a great job, and I'm very pleased, and I didn't end up with a frozen face. I tried ThermiSmooth, and that worked really good for the to tighten the skin above my eyebrows, above my eyes, and then, alas, just when I thought everything was getting together, I realized that due to the continuing aging process, I had lost volume in my lips and my cheeks. I knew Dr. Jacobson took a conservative approach, which would yield results that wouldn't look fake. I was very concerned initially when I'd heard about fillers that I would end up looking like some of these Hollywood stars whose faces screamed, "I've had work done." So, by the way, I have not had any cosmetic surgery, in case some of you might wonder. And I can honestly say at age 72, I look better now than I did 14 years ago when I started here at 58. I have to admit that looking in the mirror and seeing a younger me has motivated me to think less about my age and the assumed limitations, and more about continuing to do the kinds of activities, the more robust activities that I enjoy, such as riding my horses and taking care of them. For those of you who have endured my little testimonial, I hope that this provides you a source of encouragement.
When examining Maureen's before and after picture, there's something I should point out. Because nearly 10 years transpired between these before and after pictures, slightly different lighting and a different camera were used to take these photos. Despite that, it's very clear to see that her skin is much brighter. It reflects light in an entirely different way. We were able to even out browns and reds, improve the texture and tone of the skin. It appears far healthier and far younger, despite almost 10 years of time passing. Other synergistic treatments that Maureen takes advantage of in addition to BBL are Halo, Skin Tight, Clear Silk, and ThermiSmooth, in addition to Botox and filler. I think this is a great example of skin rejuvenation and kind of aging backwards. When it comes to skin, no two people are exactly the same. There are so many factors that play a role into the condition of the skin, including genetics, sun exposure, other health conditions, habits. So at TLJ, we recognize it's really important that our toolbox is full of tools that we can use synergistically to ensure that your outcome is optimal. Skin tight is a treatment that we perform immediately after BBL for many of our patients. It addresses laxity and sagginess of the skin and really firms areas like lower face, neck, and even other areas. Studies have shown that skin tight further enhances BBL's ability to sort of help the skin to age backwards. The treatment takes about 20 minutes in the office. There's no downtime, and it's very comfortable. Clear Silk is a laser treatment that we commonly perform immediately after BBL. It is excellent to address background reds, red blotchy skin, the flushing of rosacea, and really is additive, if not synergistic, with BBL. This treatment is very comfortable. There's no downtime associated with it. Skin is usually a little bit pink afterwards, and it is suitable for areas like face, neck, and chest. The combination of BBL with Halo is truly a home run combination in our practice. Halo is what's known as a fractional ablative laser that, when used together with BBL, enhances BBL's ability to clear browns and reds. In addition to that, it addresses fine lines and wrinkles, and we love it for tightening the skin too. Interestingly, it also clears and reduces the appearance of the precancerous lesions that can occur over time as well. This is a very well-tolerated treatment by most of our patients. We do use numbing cream for this particular treatment. And while there's no downtime, there is some recovery time of about 5 to 7 days. 2 days of the appearance of the skin looks like a little sunburn. Some people have some swelling. And then for the ensuing 5 days or so, there's just a fine sandpaper-like feeling to the skin, and it's dry. And those, what are called mends, exfoliate away from the skin gently over those several days. And then what emerges afterwards is what's very affectionately known as the halo glow. We just love these treatments together. Hydrofacial is an outstanding therapeutic facial. It's otherwise known as hydrodermabrasion. Think of it as the old-fashioned microdermabrasion, but much more gentle and way more effective. Hydrofacial uses vortex technology to get into those pores really deeply, and utilizing several serums and peels really exfoliates the pores effectively to remove oil, debris, dirt, and other impurities from the pores. Think of it like little tiny tornadoes all over your face to do nothing but good. The next step is a deeply moisturizing step, and the result is what just feels like a baby's skin. And people love hydrofacial. We like it too, because even though it is an outstanding standalone treatment, studies have shown that when we combine hydrofacial with other treatments like BBL, Halo, and others, that we actually get better outcomes. And it really makes sense because we're conditioning the canvas of the skin, we're preparing it for these other energy devices to really optimally work. And let's not forget about our injectables like Botox and filler. Botox has been a treatment that we have performed for over 20 years at TLJ, and it's really been on the scene for more than 30 in the medical community. It was after observing that by treating other conditions that we also saw some cosmetic benefit that Botox for cosmetic purposes evolved. Common areas that we treat with Botox, actually most commonly, are those little frown lines right between the brows that might be a number 1, or for some people are an 11, or for some people a Roman numeral 3, right? But other areas that we treat commonly are upper forehead horizontal lines, the crow's feet, bunny lines of the nose, gummy smile near the nose we treat also. The vertical straw lines can be treated with Botox, corner of the mouth to give you a little raise. Platysmal bands of the neck, the necklace lines, otherwise known as tech neck, and even a little neck lift called a Nefertiti lift with Botox. We treat the masseters of the lower face sometimes for people who are grinders and clenchers as well. So this is an important tool, and at TLJ, we really feel like the outcome should look very natural, that you should still have some expression, and that really this is just one more tool in our box for rejuvenation. Botox can be done the same day as treatments like BBL or Clear Silk or Skin Tight or ThermiSmooth, but it should really be done on a different day as Hydrofacial or Halo. So you might be wondering, okay, so what is new at TLJ that everyone is over the moon excited about? Well, introducing, drum roll, BBL Hero. BBL Hero is BBL, as you can tell by its name, and its utility is for larger areas of the body, which can be tricky. We do them, but they're tricky. And we are going to be one of the first centers in the country to have our BBL Hero. So we are so excited. Okay, so anyway, so what does it do? It improves the browns and reds, pigment, amazing, makes the skin much more brighter, much more youthful, but it also improves texture and laxity of other areas, larger areas like I mentioned, including chest, arms, legs, back, like kind of you name it. So we cannot wait to add this to our toolbox, and we can't wait to share it with you. And finally, I'm going to leave you with a little extra BBL Hero inspiration, although you probably are as excited about the Hero as we are. Thank you for spending time with us. We're so happy to spend it with you.